Lock. Lock. Tapos, trunk release. Trunk release. Isa pa. Ito rin pwede eh. Lock. Saka natin. Taras na silent alarm. Silent alarm. Nakita nyo umilaw.